Hey guys, it's Abby, and in today's video I'm so excited to announce that it's in collaboration with the wonderful website Yesstyle. Now I've done quite a few videos with Yesstyle before. I'll leave a link to the videos that I've done with them somewhere up here so you guys can go ahead and click on that playlist, or I'll leave it in the description box below in case you guys are interested. Now the theme for today's video is supposed to be back to school inspired outfits. As you guys know, I love kawaii fashion, so this is kawaii back to school inspired outfits that you guys can wear for school. Some of these outfits will definitely be preppy looks, which I feel goes really well for a back to school kind of vibe. I know a lot of you guys are probably back in school. If you guys are in high school or a lot younger than I am, then you guys most definitely are back in school. So I wanted to show you guys some really cute outfits that you guys can wear for school. Now I did do a video with Yesstyle again. I did another collaboration where I essentially showed you guys a couple outfits inspired by different Japanese fashion subcultures, and the main focus of what I was trying to do was essentially try to recreate Dakota Rose's outfits, and I showed you guys some outfits that really, in my opinion, felt worked for specific Japanese fashion subcultures. If you guys haven't checked out that video, go ahead and click on it somewhere up here. But you guys really seem to love that video, so I decided to bring a part 2 to that video and make another video where I recreate Dakota Rose's outfits. However, in my opinion, these outfits I feel like work really well for back to school. A lot of these looks are very preppy, and if you guys are wondering or looking for some kawaii fashion ideas for back to school, then go ahead and keep on watching. As you guys can see right now, this is the outfit that I tried to recreate, inspired by Dakota Rose. I think this outfit is so cute. So this top right off the bat is very cute. It is a part of a pink seifuku set that I got back when I was living in Japan from the shop Bodyline. It's got this really pretty pastel pink color. I felt it was very similar to what Dakota Rose wears in this picture. She is wearing a pink seifuku top, so the top rim, as you guys can see from mine, is supposed to be pastel. I think hers is a little bit lighter than what I'm wearing right now, way more pastel than mine, but I think the idea is still there. It's very cute. Now this top is not from Yesstyle, but Yesstyle does sell a large selection of different seifukus and Japanese school uniforms that you guys can go ahead and purchase. There are honestly so many cute different seifukus that you guys can get, so you guys can easily get a seifuku set and use the top for your outfit. Now as for the bottom, it is a Yesstyle piece. This is a plaid skirt with a pastel pink color to it. It is very cute. So this skirt is sort of like a peachy pink color. It's got these different shades of white and pink as well. It almost looks like there are a bunch of little blocks, but it is very cute. It's got a very pastel pink color, which honestly this is one of my favorite outfits because pink is my favorite color. And it is a preppy look, which as you guys know, I'm obsessed with Japanese preppy fashion. As for the shoes, she is wearing these really cute Mary Janes. They are kind of like your typical Japanese preppy shoes, except these are kawaii because they have the image of a cat on them. Where in contrast, I am using these really cute shoes that I also got from Yesstyle. Even though they're not the same ones as she's wearing in the image, they still give off that same essence. These are very cute. Have an extra kawaii element to it because of the heart details that they have in the shoes. Now it seems to me like she just wears some regular white socks. I wanted to make this look extra kawaii, so I'm using these really cute white socks with a really pretty lace detail on the top. These are your typical like dolly socks in my opinion, and I also got these from Yesstyle. I'll leave a link to all the Yesstyle items that I got in the description box below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items, but I felt like these would work really well with this look and definitely adds to that kawaii dolly look. Even though it may not look exactly the same, I think the essence is still there, and a lot of the pieces are very similar to what she has. So this is my interpretation of her outfit, and I gotta say it looks so cute. So that is it for this look. Let's go ahead and move on to the next outfit. So this next outfit is one of my absolute favorite outfits of hers. I feel like this is the most kawaii dolly inspired outfit. Like I said earlier, one of my absolute favorite outfits. So let's start off with the top. So I'm already wearing the top right now. This is a very beautiful white top. It was kind of hard for me to find the exact same one she had or something sort of similar, but I really felt like this top right here was very similar to what she had. So as you guys can see here on the shoulders here, it does have this sort of princessy puff, just like her top. It's very kind of has that same sort of idea. What's really cool about this one is that you can actually tie it, so there's like a couple bows. I did find it kind of weird, the placement of it. I thought maybe it would look better if it was maybe towards the top area. Maybe the bows would show up a lot better. They kind of get covered when you lower your arms, so I felt like it was kind of a weird placement, but either way it's still very cute and adds a nice little accent to the top. In the the front of the top, you guys can see there are some buttons, so you can easily put it on like that. I love this extra detail because whenever I have makeup on and I want to put on a white shirt, I typically get makeup on my shirts, so this allows me to button it up and kind of put it on, and it makes it a lot easier. Now let's go ahead and move on to the skirt. Her skirt is so cute. I looked all over Yesstyle and I could not find anything similar, but I did find this really cute bathing suit. I felt like the bottom for the bathing suit was so cute, and it looked so similar, or kind of had that same sort of color scheme that we see her wear in the picture. I found a bunch of different skirts on Yesstyle that look sort of similar to it, but the color scheme, there was no pink skirt, so it was hard for me to find it, but I felt like this bathing suit bottom worked so well, and it is very cute. It's very fitting because obviously it's like a bathing suit, so they tend to be a little bit more fitting on the body, so I recommend you guys to sort of size up. The one I got was a size large, I believe. It did look quite small, so you might want to size up when you are going for a bathing suit, but it is very cute, and I feel like it worked really well with the top. Definitely gave that same sort of essence that we see Dakota Rose wear. Now as for the bottom, she does wear some white thigh-high socks. I think they're very cute and definitely adds an extra dolly kawaii element to it. And as for the shoes, I'm just wearing these black, they kind of look like Mary Jane's, except they have a nice little heel to them. I didn't have the same shoes as she did, so I decided to go with the shoes that I already have. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the next outfit. So this next outfit is so cute, and in my opinion was one of the hardest outfits to recreate, but it is definitely very cute. So I found a couple pictures that you can kind of see the front of what she's wearing, because this popular picture is kind of from the back, but I was able to find some pictures where you're kind of seeing her top. So let's go ahead and start off with the actual top. So this is actually a dress that I got from Yesstyle. It is very beautiful, but I love this sort of top detail that it had, so I decided to kind of tuck it in as under a skirt, and I think it still worked quite well because I was just obsessed with this really beautiful detail in the front. Now the top that she wears seems to be sort of like a pastel pink Lolita top, but it was quite hard to find something similar to what she had because I think it's a very specific sort of Lolita inspired top, which is kind of hard to find anywhere else, I feel like. But I found this really beautiful dress from Yesstyle. So at the top it has this really beautiful lace on it. The colors and the pattern are essentially sort of like a peach color with a very beautiful floral pattern. The flowers seem to be roses, and they are in this sort of like peach pink color. It is very beautiful with hints of green. Now on the thin straps of the dress, you can see a little bit of lace on it, and it's very pretty. This dress itself is very cute, and I felt like that top, even though it wasn't the same as what Dakota Rose has, it definitely gave that same sort of essence. Now as for the cardigan, I'm just wearing a plain white cardigan. I wanted to find something similar to what Dakota Rose wears. I think it's sort of like a cream colored cardigan, so I kind of created that set. I think it looked really cute. Now as for the bottom, I did want to use my Lisa skirts that I got at a thrift store when I was living in Japan. They are two different ones that I felt might work, but the color scheme was not the same. So in the end, I decided to use this really cute white A-line skirt. It is a little bit different than your typical A-line, you know, preppy skirt, because it does have a bit more of like a flowy feeling to the end of the skirt. I couldn't really see what skirt she was wearing, but it seems sort of like a white sort of like lace fluffy, you know, skirt. It's very pretty. Definitely gives me Liz Lisa vibes, but I couldn't find anything similar on Yesstyle. I really trusted in myself. I felt like the Liz Lisa skirts that I had would work perfectly well, but I didn't realize that the patterns wouldn't work and the color scheme wouldn't work either, so I decided to use it, and I think it worked quite well. It's still definitely a little bit more toned down. Now I will say this outfit definitely feels like the least closest outfit to what she wears, but it's still very cute and the essence is still there. I'm still very happy with that outfit, but this is just a plain white skirt. Now as for the bottom, I'm wearing these really cute lace socks. She does wear some really pretty lace socks, so I felt like it worked really well with the look. It was very similar to what she had. These socks are the same ones you guys saw earlier. They are also from Yesstyle. Very cute. These are some of my favorite socks to use for more of my kawaii dolly looks, which I think was perfect for this look. And then as for the shoes, I decided to use these Mary Jane's with a light little heel on them. They're very cute. Definitely my go-to kawaii dolly shoes. She's wearing these really cute pastel pink heels, which I think are very representative within like Lolita and the Lolita community. These shoes are very cute and definitely give me the whole Lolita vibes, which I feel like these shoes from Yesstyle are very similar. I really wanted to get these shoes, but they weren't in stock, and it was going to take forever for me to receive the items, so I decided to just not get them, but they are on my bucket list say on my list of items that I need to get. Alrighty guys, that is it for this outfit. Let's go ahead and head on to the next look. So this next look is, I gotta say in my opinion, is one of the most iconic looks from Dakota Rose. I believe she was on the cover of a pop teen magazine when she was wearing this particular outfit. So anywho, let's go ahead and talk about the outfit. So as for my top, it seems like she's just wearing a typical seifuku top. It is a navy blue color. Hers is a short sleeve top. Mine is a long sleeve top. This is part of a typical Japanese school uniform, seifuku that I purchased online. Now, I didn't get this from Yesstyle, but you can definitely get this from Yesstyle. In fact, you can get the exact one that Dakota Rose uses in the picture. I believe they sell short sleeved and long sleeve tops on Yesstyle. If I'm mistaken, then I'll probably just input the long sleeve one. But I do believe they also sell this typical navy blue seifuku. So let's go ahead and talk about the top. Mine is a long sleeve top, but it has that same sort of idea as Dakota Rose's top. So it is essentially a seifuku, looks like a sailor uniform. The top has this typical sailor, your typical sailor top. It is a navy blue color. In the back, it has very cute accents of that typical sailor top. For the sleeves, you can see this really cute little rim, very similar detail to the top here. The most iconic element to her look is the pastel pink bow. So here I have this pink bow that is part of my pastel pink seifuku that you guys saw the top in the first couple outfits. I think the first outfit you guys saw today. But this bow goes along with a pink seifuku I got in Japan. It is very cute. So I decided to just grab that bow and put it onto this one. This seifuku came with a red sort of bow, but I decided to move it and replace it with this pastel pink bow, which I think adds an extra kawaii element to it and is very, very pop teen. As for the skirt, I decided to wear this navy blue skirt that goes with the seifuku. It seems like Dakota Rose is wearing something very similar. As for the socks, so I ended up finding the pop teen video where Dakota Rose is having this photo shoot so you can take a better look of her outfit. And so I saw that she is wearing these black knee-high socks, so I decided to pair off the look with these black knee-high socks. Now as for my shoes, it seems like she's wearing your typical Japanese preppy shoes. These are like Mary Jane's, and so I'm wearing these they're kind of heavy. They're like more of your typical school uniform type of shoes. I got these from H&M and they're very cute. They're kind of like more bulky shoes than your other shoes that you guys have probably seen, which were more my dolly kawaii looks. As you guys can see, they're very different, and I typically tend to go for these H&M shoes for my more preppy looks, which I think works really well and pairs off really well with this outfit. So guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next look. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start off with the next outfit. So let's go ahead and start off with the top. So here I'm wearing a really cute white top with this attached black ribbon. You can go ahead and tie up. I felt like this top was so similar to what Dakota Rose wears in this image. As for my cardigan, I'm wearing this black cardigan with these really cute little beads on top. I felt like it looked very similar to what Dakota Rose has. But anyway, I've been eyeing this outfit for quite a while because I already own a lot of pieces that were very similar to what she has. So that's why I really wanted to at least input this outfit in for the video. Now she's wearing these really pretty denim shorts. I literally don't have any shorts. I thought I had some shorts, but it seems like I don't have any denim shorts. So I decided to go for these black shorts. These are more like, I think they're more dress shorts, more dressy, elegant shorts that you would wear for a more fancy look. Then I decided to wear these black thigh-high socks because we do see Dakota Rose wear something very, very similar. Now it seems like she's wearing these black boots, but I do not have anything like that. Since I'm trying to go for a more kawaii dolly look, I decided to replace those shoes for these really cute, very similar to what I showed you guys earlier. These are kind of like my Mary Jane shoes with a bit of a heel on them. Very princessy shoes in my opinion. I feel like it works very well for this look. And that is essentially it for this outfit. Very simple and very, very cute. Let's go ahead and move on to the next look. So this next look is inspired by an actual doll. I feel like a lot of girls who were part of the Living Doll era, like Dakota Rose, of course, Taylor R, and Venus Angelic, were really inspired by these ball jointed dolls. I feel like that trend was quite popular, and these were essentially the dolls that a lot of these girls were trying to recreate. I'm not saying all of them were. This definitely was the inspiration. I think a lot of girls were kind of trying to recreate this whole ball jointed doll aesthetic, and I thought, why not create an outfit inspired by the dolls that definitely kind of started it all, or were a huge inspiration for a lot of these living doll girls. I found this on my For You page on Instagram. I thought this picture was so cute. This is the Instagram user where I found the picture from. I think this is her doll. It is so cute, so I wanted to create an outfit similar to what was shown in the image. So as for the top, I'm wearing this really cute top. I'm not sure what the name of this top is, but it's very cute and very dolly. I wanted to find a top that was similar in color scheme to what was shown in the picture of the doll. And I felt like this top worked really well. It has this really pretty ribbon that you can sort of tie into sort of like a bow. The top part has this very nice thin material, and it has this really beautiful lace detail on the top. The actual top itself is very soft, feels very comfortable as soon as you wear it. Now as for the skirt, I got this from Yesstyle as well, and it is a denim skirt. It is sort of like form-fitting at the top, and then at the bottom it has this really cute, almost like a typical A-line plaid skirt. Sort of gives me that idea of like a preppy skirt, except you can only see that sort of like at the bottom base of the skirt. Now, yes, it is wrinkled because I did not iron it. I was so excited when I got these items that I decided to just film the same day, so don't come for me in the comments. Yes, I know, I'm sorry, but I was so excited for this video that I just filmed the outfit right then and there, and yeah, that's why. But definitely when I go out, I will certainly iron it. Then I decided to wear these white thigh-high socks because, as you guys can see, the doll is wearing something very similar. And then as for my shoes, I'm wearing these cute sort of like dolly shoes. These are my Mary Janes with a bit of a heel on them. Super cute. Definitely gives me doll vibes. This is definitely one of my favorite outfits. My twin sister loved it. She said she was obsessed with this outfit. And that is the last outfit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the kawaii family. I'm so happy to say that this family is growing. Thank you guys for all your sweet comments. I read all of them and I reply to every single one of them. So thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please let me know. Let me know which was your favorite outfit. Are you guys also fans of Dakota Rose's living doll era? Which is your favorite outfit that I recreated today? Let me know if there's any item that you guys are thinking of buying, any specific item that you guys fell in love with. Please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts. Don't forget to follow me at the official_Abby on Instagram to get some kawaii fashion inspiration. I'll be leaving a link to all my social media accounts in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. 見てくれてありがとうございます。バイバイ。